Tired of customers complaining about wrong shipping costs or missing delivery methods? I feel you. That is one of the fastest ways to lose a sale. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to update your shipping options inside Hostinger. No guesswork, no digging through confusing menus. First, we are going to access your store dashboard. Then we will navigate to the shipping settings. Finally, we will update the options so your customers see the right prices. Let us start. Open up your Hostinger website builder. This is where you design your site. You are looking for the main editor view where you can see your pages and elements. Go ahead and pull that up now. Next, locate the shopping cart icon in the top menu. It looks like a little shopping cart. Just click on it. This opens up the store panel so you can manage your products and orders. Then click on Manage Store. This is the button that takes you into the actual settings area for your online store. Think of it as the control room for everything sales related. Now click the circle icon to open store settings. This little gear or circle symbol is your gateway to the back end. You will see a few options pop up, but we are heading straight for the shipping section. In the settings, find and click on Shipping Zone. This is where you control where you ship to. If you only ship within the United States, this is where you set that boundary. If you ship globally, you can add multiple zones here. It keeps everything organized. Finally, click on Shipping Options to see the available methods. This is the list of choices your customers will see at checkout. Standard shipping, express, free shipping over a certain amount, that kind of thing. Now you can add a new shipping method or edit an existing one. If you want to add a flat rate for domestic orders, click the Add Shipping Method button. If you need to change the price of your current express option, just click on that line to edit it. Set the name, cost, and delivery time for the method. Give it a clear name your customers will understand, like standard shipping. Set the price. And estimate a delivery time, like 5 to 7 business days. This builds trust. People want to know when their package is coming. Do not forget to save your changes. This is the easy step to miss. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the panel. Click it. Now your new shipping options are live, and that is it. You went from confused about where to change shipping settings to confidently updating your shipping zones and options. Your customers will see accurate costs, and you will stop losing sales over something simple. Thanks for sticking with me. Happy selling.